Hey students, it's Brother MacArthur here. Hey, just want to say thanks. You guys are having a fantastic semester. You're doing a great job. Collectively, I'm very impressed with what you do to help each other study, that you do to teach each other. So thank you. Thanks for what you're doing. I am really excited for what you're going to study this week. This week you get a study about revelation in the church and personal revelation. These are two key things that just separate our church apart from others, that just make it so important. And as you and as I can understand these things more clearly, like how revelation works in the church and why that's important, and how my own personal revelation doesn't supersede revelation in the church, and how helpful that is, and to realize God is going to reveal things to the prophet for the entire church, but there's also things he's going to reveal to me. And especially in light of President Nelson's this last conference, on his talk in what was it, Revelation for the Church, Revelation for Ourselves, and he challenged all of us to increase our spiritual capacity. And so I would encourage you to even go back and read that, but you're going to love these as you read these here. And so I just am excited for you, and just, you know the drill of everything, and so thank you for that, what you're doing. But I just want to testify that personal revelation and revelation to our church is absolutely alive and well. One of the things that I've been so grateful for is just how frequently God really does communicate with us, and especially how much he does with the prophet. It's been neat to kind of hear from President Nelson on different accounts, and even from his wife, talking about the times where he's just been woken up at night and how he records things, and that the frequency has greatly increased since he's become prophet. It's just neat, and it's exciting, and it's also just huge for you and me when it comes to personal revelation. In fact, I believe in one of President Nelson's talk, he just talked about in the coming day that you and I won't be able to survive spiritually without this. And so this is a critical thing, and so I really encourage you to understand it. The other thing I want to do, to just in a way to say thanks for those of you who are still listening to this. When it gets to the reflection and synthesis assignment for this week, just go ahead and say I watched the video. Just put that on your paper, turn that thing in, and that I will count that just as a way to say thanks. And thanks for watching this video, and thank you for your work. Now, this will sound a little weird, but if the person listening to this, the student whose first name starts with a J and last name starts with a W, that person can just email me. That sounds weird, but there were some unique things that happened for that person this week, or this upcoming week, and so I don't want that person to feel gypped, because when it comes to the reflection and synthesis assignment. So that person just email me, and I'll let that count for week 11, lesson 11. But anyway, so again, if you watch this, just go ahead and put I watched the video, and turn that in on your reflection and synthesis paper for lesson 10, week 10. Students, thanks for what you do, and have a great day.